In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Safari profiles on your iPhone 17. This also works for your other Apple devices. This is good for work browsing and personal browsing if you want to keep that separate. So let's go to our settings, and we're going to scroll down until you find apps. And let's go ahead and type in Safari. And then what we're going to do is scroll down until you find profiles, and we're going to make a new profile. This is going to allow you to keep your profile separate. So what we can do is hit new profile, and let's just give this a name. Let's just do test, I guess. And you can pick a icon and colors. Really go ahead and customize what you want. And from here, just keep it really simple and really basic. As you see, I'm picking different colors here and icons, so it's really customizable to you and what you want. You would go ahead and hit the check mark at the top right-hand corner. And that's it. So what we can do is come out of your settings, go to your Safari, and then you want to hit those icons at the bottom right-hand corner here. And you want to go ahead and open up all your tabs if you have numerous tabs open. So at the top, you see where it says personal and a drop-down menu. Go ahead and hit that. And as you see, that profile is right there for us to use. So here you have a brand new browser free of cookies and search results and things like that. So it's real easy if you want to go back and forth between your different types of browsing profiles. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to make those Safari profiles.